Okay, this is site 54. That's us right there. Red retro RV, pickup truck. Nice and quiet. It's about 1 o'clock. A lot of folks have already checked out. They've already gone for the day. Here's site 52. And I'm going to walk you guys over to a couple other sites right after I show you 54. Since that's where we're staying, that's what you get the best view of. That's right, Mike and Angel. See, it's a pretty fresh pad. Picnic table's new. Get a wonderful view right here. We set up down below, right close to the water's edge, right under those trees. You see a nice cleared area. The park hasn't picked up all of the debris they used for the construction or the reconstruction of the pads. So anyway, here's site 54. We're going to take a walk over to site 56 and 58. This will be our next spot. Pad 56. 56 gives you a view of the water from the front of your camper, from the awning. So this is your view. If you're sitting out on in front of your camper at the awning, just relaxing, enjoying it. Again, new pads, new picnic tables. Walk around the back. You have a little peninsula out there for tents. I don't know if you can just set them up or you have to ask permission. Here's another nice site. Site 57, not 58. So I think we're going to reserve 56 and 57 for a little family weekend. All right, everybody. That's about it. I'll leave you guys a nice low view of the lake. All right, Retro Recon. Percy Quin State Park. Y'all take care. Happy camping.